What up, ladies and gents? It's your boy MikeOfAllTrades coming to you this today. I'll say this evening with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Fusion for Nintendo Switch Power A wireless controller. I'm saying, but first and foremost, let's get the legal deal out the way. Like you see, I'm saying, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and turn on notifications as we make our way to 2K. So, as I'm always looking for another option, something different than the Nintendo Switch controller, Pro controller, you know, and it's cool and everything. Like, you know, I can hold it comfortably and everything else, but I always want something that's more akin to, like, you know, to this, to the Xbox One Elite controller. This is the Elite 2. So, you know, I always want something that's like kind of like that. So one of my streamer buddies a while ago, Critical Hit Koala, suggested to me that I get the Fusion wired controller, you know, and shout out to him. And so I did an unboxing of that like a while ago on the channel. That video will appear right now, and it was the Xbox One version, and I was like, okay, cool, you know what I mean? So I was like, you know, it's a good controller, you know, but at the end of the day, I still opted for the Elite 2 controller, mainly because it was wired, for one, you know what I mean? And while it felt good, it wasn't hitting as well as I wanted it to, you know what I mean? And it wasn't a bad product at all, you know, so I gave it to my kid. My kid loves it. So when I saw that this hit the market, I was intrigued, like, and I was interested. It was on sale, GameStop. It might still be on sale right now for like 80. It's originally 100, probably because it's wireless. So here we go. There's the front of the box, you know what I mean? The side panels just have art of the controller and whatnot, and then there's the back, you know what I mean? So this also apparently can pair with the Switch Lite, you know what I mean? So it's wireless, or it can be wired. So it has the mappable buttons, you know, the triggers and the back. You can swap out the parts, and it has anti-friction rings, magnetic impulse triggers, self-taught finish, headphone jack. A headphone jack. Did you hear that, Nintendo? A 3.5mm headphone jack. And, you know what I'm saying, a Pro Pack. And that's the buttons. It's got rubber grips, Alps, those six, USB-C, and extra tall sticks, which I like extra tall sticks, you know what I mean, because big hands, you know what I mean? All right, so let's see if we can get into it. I don't remember how these open, not at all. Oh, wait a minute, there we go. Shink, scissors. But yeah, mainly I wanted an option, you know, I wanted something that was, you know, not that the Switch Pro controller is bad or anything like that. It was more of a, hey, we need something that's gonna not only feel good, but let us do things, you know, like allow us to, you know, customize things, whatever. And there's not a lot of that on the market right now for the Nintendo Switch. I mean, you've got various wired controllers and various wireless controllers, which is funny because a lot of them are offered by Power A. Like, there's a couple Hori pads and whatever else, but nothing really major. All right, let's see. I think that should do it, right? Yeah, that's one side. That's another side. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens. You know, it's funny. Oh, I missed the back tab. That's the funny part. All right, well, didn't cut this one, so ASMR, peeling the tag. That was satisfactory. All right, now let's see if we can pull it off. There we go, clean pull, boys. Let's see, and you guys get the first look. It's a big old box, and yeah, man, yo, look at that. On the package nicely and everything. Yeah, and just like the Xbox One controller version of it, yeah, it comes in the baggie. So pretty much it's just the baggie. Oh, and under the baggie, there's some stuff on the inside. If I remember correctly, these are just like stickers and whatever else if you want to put stuff on it on your PC, whatever. So yeah, user manual. Oh, no sticker this time. Oh, so it's literally just the manual. They use this. Just put this in there. I guess they really want you to feel like you're getting a premium product, you know what I mean? So respect for that. Put this back in the plastic because, you know, it's never getting used. Anyway, so we'll slide out the box, and yeah, hard shell case. We'll undress it so you guys can see it first. Get it naked. Come on, baby, open the case. Let's get naked. And here it is. Oh, well. Yo, it fell out. All right, but there it is, you guys. Look. The USB cable that is, it's braided. I think it's about a 10-foot cable. You know what I mean? It was an eager beaver to come out. Oh, okay. So, yeah, this must have got messed around in shipping. So here's a controller, right? Yeah, you know what I mean, the sticks, the long sticks or whatever else. Under this, it says open, close. What the hell? What are we opening, closing? Sorry, I'm gonna need to look at this. 1 stick, 2 stick. I'm more concerned where it says open or close. I want to know what we are opening and closing. Oh, I wonder if that's the back cover for the, oh, yeah. So that's the back cover for the controller if you don't want to use the buttons. Oh, and check this out. Look at this. See, now when I got this, it was advertised as white shell. Check that out. They actually give you a shell to swap it out. So that's pretty cool. So that alleviates the need for skins. And yeah, look, there's a white shell for it. But for what, you ask? What do we need a shell for? We need a shell for this. Look at that. Look at that. See the buttons stuff on the back, dude? Like, okay, so this thing right here, this is what I'm kind of like not a fan of. Like, it's functional, you know what I mean? But my issue with the other one was like always, like you'd always have to like put it in, and you know what I mean, like you have to like pop it into place and stuff, so it'll sit there. But once it's in, it's in. So you know what I mean, it slides in the back of the controller, you know what I mean, like easy click or whatever. Oh gosh. And yeah, like it sits there, it's good, whatever else. It feels really good, you know what I mean? So one thing you guys should know, this does not read NFC. So if you need something to scan your amiibos in or something like that, then you're gonna have to use your Joy-Cons, or if you have one of these, you have to scan it in. So, you know what I'm saying? So, sorry, Cloud. You don't get to get scanned in by this, even though you want to sit on it. And then, yeah, like you said before, it this comes off. The button actually pops it off, which that's cool. I was wondering how that was gonna go. You know what I mean? And then, if you don't want to use this, like I'm not going to, you can simply just go ahead and take this part and then pop it back on. You know, easy clap. And then it locks into place. So then you've got more of a sleek feel, you know. And this, I'll tell you right now, this definitely feels heavier than this. You know what I mean? This is definitely heavier. So light up buttons at the bottom. There's your 3.5 millimeter jack right there. You know what I mean? And the faceplate. The faceplate comes off, and the reason the faceplate comes off is so not only for fashion, but it's for function. As you can see, it's magnetic as well. So keep that in mind. It's so magnetic. Look at that. I'm trying to pull the gimmick off, and I had it twice. But basically, it's so that we can swap it out. So, like you said, magnetic. If you guys want to swap the faceplates out, or if you want to swap the sticks out. This was supposed to come with O-rings, but but it doesn't. And that's what it looks like without it, without the face, whatever, and its neck and whatever else. I will say the one thing, you know what I'm saying, these are concaves, and it also came with taller, like a taller dome stick. So if you're like me and you like taller dome sticks, whatever, dude, you can pull that off, and then you can pop this one on, and boom, there you go. You know what I mean? And then if you like to change your clothes, baby, you can pop her on in all white, and it just snaps in, and it's great. You know what I mean? So it even looks better. Like, it's crazy. Like, it looks a lot better, you know? And like I said, it came with a long charging cable, so we can charge it, and it's wireless, and that's a big thing. I haven't connected it to my Switch yet, so I don't know if we can power off through the home button. I would imagine so, since it's wireless. I think once it's paired, it should be okay to go, and everything else. But yeah, yo, anyway, let's leave you in all white, baby. Well, actually, let's not. Maybe that's a manufacturer thing, because like I literally touched it and it got kind of scuffed, kind of grody. But you know, whatever. That's the light. You know, trying to get the young focus in and stuff. But it's all good. But yeah, yo, that's the Fusion Pro wireless controller for the Nintendo Switch. Thank you guys for watching the video. As always, if you like what you see, make sure you hit that like button, you know, subscribe to the channel on the way out, and turn on notifications to make our way to 2K. Thank you guys for watching. I'm MikeOfAllTrades, and I'm about to go put this to use. Later.